Hi, I'm Dysa, and welcome to your guide on setting up any Nextbase Series 2 dashcam. Let's get started. Today, we're installing the Nexbase 622GW 4K dashcam. And if you don't want to do it yourself, Nexbase offers a professional installation service. Just visit nexbase.com to learn more. Charge the dashcam with a supplied USB cord for 2 hours before setting it up. The dashcam will shut down even with the battery fully charged, but don't worry, this is completely normal as it's entering low power mode. Now, we're ready to get started. Let's jump inside to install this dashcam. Insert the SD card. Be sure to use the Nexbase high-performance U3 SD card to avoid any issues like lag or corrupted files that some other SD cards might cause. Your Series 2 dashcam comes with a crash-tested magnetic mount that securely holds the dashcam in place. Position the camera for a test fit without peeling off the adhesive pad. We recommend putting the camera behind the rearview mirror where it's easily accessible in case you need to press the protect button. Look, every car is different, so don't be afraid to put it on the plastic trim if it fits better. Make a note of the mount's position and clean the windshield thoroughly in that area with the included kit. This ensures the adhesive pad forms a perfect bond with the glass for secure installation. Before mounting the dashcam, use the keyway to note the orientation. Remove the adhesive pad cover and stick it to the windshield, ensuring that the keyhole is on the bottom left-hand side. Press firmly against the windshield for 5 to 10 seconds to ensure a secure fit. Align the keyway to the mount and slide it until it clicks in place. Connect the power cable to the mount, not the camera itself. Neatly tuck the wire along the windshield and dashboard until you get to the car's power outlet. Follow the setup prompts on your 622GW to configure your dashcam. Be sure to download My Nextbase Connect app on any app store. It's essential for accessing footage, adjusting settings, and will prompt you to firmware updates when available. That's all there is to it. Your Nextbase 622GW is now ready to capture every detail of your journey. And make sure to share every experience and footage with us on social media.